Dear learners, welcome to Amuse. This is IELTS Success at Amuse. I want to tell Amuse means Amrita makes you speak English. I am Amrita Shan, and I have been guiding and grooming the IELTS aspirants in my institution, Amuse Consultants, for last more than 20 years. Making the things easy, impressive, and effective for the learners is a passion with me. And today I am going to discuss with you one of the important modules of IELTS examination, that is writing module, and we are going to talk about task 1. So dear learners, as you know that in IELTS academic writing task 1, the students are tested on their ability to describe and interpret information presented in a graph, a table, a chart, a map or a diagram. आपको एक इमेज मिलता है, वो चार्ट हो सकता है, टेबल हो सकता है, मैप हो सकता है, डायग्राम हो सकता है, जिसमें आपको कुछ उसके फीचर्स डिस्क्राइब करने होते हैं. So generally the students are asked to describe the trends, compare and contrast the data, or report statistical information. उनको कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट करना होता है, और स्टैटिस्टिकल जो उसमें फिगर्स नंबर्स दिए होते हैं उसका information provide करना होता है. In order to do well in this section, you need to learn to look at the different trends in the graph first of all, and then most importantly, you need to have specific vocabulary to describe the given moments. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आपको ग्राफ आपको देखना है, आप दो डिफरेंट ट्रेंड्स को समझ पाएं, और दूसरी ज़रूरी बात यह है कि आपके पास एक पर्टिकुलर वोकैब हो उन मोमेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए. जनरली अगर हम ग्राफ की बात करते हैं तो 3 मोमेंट्स रहती हैं. इट कैन बी अपवर्ड, इट कैन बी डाउनवर्ड, और इट कैन बी द स्टेबल मोमेंट वेयर देयर इज नो फ्लक्चुएशन. So as I have told you that I am Amrita Shah, and I am making the things quite specific and easy for you so that you could learn the skill of graph writing. मेरी कोशिश है आपके लिए चीज को बहुत क्लियर करने की, बहुत ज्यादा इजी करने की. एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द राइजिंग ट्रेंड इन अ ग्राफ. आज हम राइजिंग ट्रेंड, अपवर्ड ट्रेंड की बात करने वाले हैं. एंड आई बिलीव दैट द डिस्कशन विल हेल्प यू know the art of precise, impressive and effective writing and make you achieve high bands easily. आप इस बात को जरूर समझ पाएंगे इस डिस्कशन से, और एक आप क्लियर, इम्प्रेसिव, इफेक्टिव राइटिंग का स्किल सीखेंगे, जिससे कि आपको हाई बैंड्स आप इजीली ले पाएंगे, because you would be knowing the skill of writing. So in this picture, you can say in this image you can see that there are arrows and the lines, and they are going upward. So this is called increasing trend, rising trend, upward trend. If you want to go for writing, it is important that before writing graph, you should know 3 important things. First important thing is that you should have good synonyms with you. Synonym means same meaning words. If you are talking about the rising trend, तो rise के और क्या क्या synonym हो सकते हैं वो आपके पास होना जरूरी है. Adverbs का knowledge होना भी जरूरी है. Adverb means that talk about the movement, that talk about action. अगर कोई चीज ग्रो हो रही है तो वो सिग्निफिकेंटली ग्रो हो रही है या वो स्लोली ग्रो हो रही है. These type of words are called adverbs. And the third important thing is the use of adjectives, understanding of adjectives. अब वो जो ग्रोथ है वो सिग्निफिकेंट ग्रोथ है या कि वो स्लो ग्रोथ है. The words that describe the noun are called adjectives, and with the more examples I think that you will understand the things better. अगर हम इंक्रीज के सिनोनिम की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो हाइक हो सकता है, बूम हो सकता है, अपसर्ज हो सकता है, शूट अप हो सकता है. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द लिस्ट ऑफ सिनोनिम्स इन द कमिंग स्लाइड्स. अब सिग्निफिकेंट जो है वो एडजेक्टिव है, सिग्निफिकेंटली जो है दैट इज एन एडवर्ब. synonyms, adverbs and adjectives. So like अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि significant increase, then you are making use of adjective here. If you are saying that increased significantly, then you are talking about the movement, how the thing increased. You told that increased significantly, so that is the good use of adverb over here. So with some sentences we can understand the things better. For example, increasing number of students in a school. हम स्कूल में बच्चों के नंबर इंक्रीज होने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम कितने ढंग से सेंटेंस लिख सकते हैं? The number of students increased significantly in school A. एक आपने सेंटेंस लिखा कि नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स सिग्निफिकेंटली इंक्रीज हुए. दूसरा ढंग सेम बात को कन्वे करने का है. There was significant increase of students in school A. The sentence have a different structure. That is the most important part of IELTS writing. अब यहाँ पे हमने synonym ले लिया, number of student को भी change कर दिया. The strength of learners hiked significantly in school A. नंबर की जगह हमने बोल दिया the strength of learners. Student की जगह word हमने use कर दिया learners. Significantly word use हो गया, increase के लिए word use हो गया hiked. There was significant boom. अब यहाँ पे भी increase के लिए अच्छा word हमने use कर लिया. There was a significant boom in the admission of students. So the same sentence has been written in 4 different ways with the use of synonyms, adverbs and adjectives. Must understand this slide. You can pause it here, understand it for yourself. It is going to help you a lot for high bands. So these are some synonyms for upward movement. Take down the words in your notebook. The words are go up, grow, increase, jump, rise, gain, rocket, surge, take off, shoot up, soar, boom, bounce, etc. The verbs are used according to the description. Go का went हो सकता है, grew हो सकता है. If you are describing some past figures, if you are talking about the present figures, then the verbs will go like this. So adverbs कुछ लेते हैं, नोट करो नोटबुक में. Significantly, remarkably, unexpectedly, visibly, surprisingly, noticeably, clearly, etc. means the list can be more, but we are just taking these words presently. And now some adjectives for you for your impressive writing. And you know we are talking about increasing trend. Significant, remarkable, substantial, visible, surprising, noticeable, clear, considerable. There was considerable hike in the number of students. So that will be the use of adjective. So dear learner, this is the graph that we are going to discuss now. And first important thing is to look and understand the information given in it, and then understand the trends, that how the things are rising and how the things are surpassing each other. So this is the sale of cameras and mobiles in hundreds in city A. So they are talking about the sale of two products, that are cameras and mobiles. The figures have been calculated in hundreds, and they are talking about the time period between 2000 to 2010. So if you want to pause the video here, you can write your own 5-6 features on it, and then you can compare that how I have taken the important vocab to describe the trend. एक जरूरी बात है कि अभी मैं फिगर्स यहाँ पे नहीं ले रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू कि आपने ट्रेंड्स को कैसे देखना है और आप उन पर कैसे इम्प्रेसिव vocab यूज कर सकते हैं. तो फिगर्स अभी हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are talking only about the trends. So we are going to talk about cameras first of all. Between 2000 and 2005, there was a slight increase. There was a slight increase. Between 2005 and 2010, the sale of cameras multiplied significantly. Multiplied significantly. Good use of vocab. And for the last decade, petty change has been registered. There was no insignificant change. So we have used the word petty. Or we can also say that the sale rose steadily. Means it got stable approximately at the same plateau. Now we are talking about the sale of mobiles. The first vocab for you is between 2000 to about 2010, there was negligible improvement as the sale was less than 100. I don't want to count the figures presently, but it's okay. So that was a negligible improvement. After 2010, the sale climbed suddenly. The sale shoot up suddenly. And for the last 10 years, the same rising trend continued. We are going to discuss the same graph once again with more vocab. So talking about the sale of cameras, I am saying that in the beginning 5 years, there was a steady growth in the sale of cameras. But for the next 5 years, remarkable incline has been registered. But for the last decade, there was a sleepy rise. Unsubstantial marketing made the sale of cameras very slow. See, the vocab is going to bring you the points, the bands. Sale of mobiles. Now, see the vocab I am using. There was insignificant surge means the things are not really catchy. So there was a slow upsurge, insignificant surge as the sale was down 100. Sorry. So after 2010, there was a vivid boom up. The sale shoot up dramatically, or it progressed apparently. Apparent progress has been noticed after 2010 when the sale shoot up from 100 cams to near about 500 cams. When you will be using the figures in the next graphs, when I would be discussing figures with you, then we will say the sentences like this. And for last decade, there was unfluctuating hike. Means again we want to say that the sale of mobiles multiplied remarkably. There was unfluctuating hike. So dear learners, now time for the worksheet. There is an exercise for you on the next slide to evaluate your understanding of rising trend. आज हमने राइजिंग ट्रेंड सीखा है. देखते हैं आपने कौन से वर्ड सीखे हैं. So fill in the blanks with the best vocabulary and win 5 stars for your right answers. Win 5 stars for your right answers. So the same graph is there for you, and I'm having 5 sentences. There are blanks in it. आप अपने ढंग से इसे fill कीजिए with the use of synonym, adjective, adverbs that we have discussed. So dear learners, you can pause the video here till you finish this exercise and put your answers in the comment box down there. अपने answers को comment box में डालिए. I would love to check it and I would love to give you the stars as you will. So this is done for today. Thank you for watching my video. I would be happy if you Subscribe for the channel. Put your comments how you enjoyed this discussion of upward trend. Must share this video with your friends who need to prepare for IELTS examination. And if you loved the video, if the video was informative for you, then gives me thumbs up, like. I'm Amrita saying bye, and we'll see you soon with the next different type of trend.